Fatty. Hi. Hello. Yo, what is up? Yo, what is up, YouTube? So right now I'm going for grocery shopping, but first I'm right now shooting on an Osmo Pocket, and I got it as a gift yesterday on my birthday from my girlfriend. So yeah, I just want to test this out. So before we go grocery shopping, we're actually going to the park to shoot some B-rolls and yeah, have some fun with this Osmo Pocket. So yeah, let's go. So, oh wow, that's loud. Since I'm walking along this Toa Payoh area, let me just show you around. Right behind me, that's the football stadium, and there's a lot of stadium actually. There's table tennis, badminton, that right there. Let me show you. That right there is a gym, and there is a swimming pool in front. I think I'm gonna go up to the overhead bridge and yeah, show you guys the pool. It looks pretty cool. And last time when I was learning how to swim, I used to come here and swim a lot. So yeah. I'm finally at the park now, and I've been shooting quite a few things along the way. And yeah, right off the back, I think the colors on this Osmo Pocket looks pretty amazing. It's just really nice, very crisp. Yeah, it brings out better colors than my GoPro. And yeah, but one thing that I realized, there's something wrong with my SD card. It keeps saying, when I shoot 4K, it keeps saying that the SD card reading is slow and it couldn't record anything. I was like halfway talking and it would just stop. So yeah, maybe I should get a better SD card. So yeah, let's go and find something to shoot around the park. So guys, currently there's nothing much to show you guys because they've kind of like closed out most of the pathway. Only like the long run, the one that loops around the park, so that you can actually do some exercise. You can actually see in some of the shots that people are running around here. So yeah, right behind me used to be a seafood restaurant. Pretty cool place, quite expensive. Yeah, so just walking around. I actually want to show you guys the bridge. Oh, I think right now it's 6 o'clock. Suddenly the lights yeah, they just turn on the lights. So I think it's 6 or 7. They will usually turn on the street lights. Right behind me, I want to actually go to those bridges, those tiny little one, the cute one, but the access is blocked. So yeah, I'll see what I can find in a few minutes, then I'll be heading out to the supermarket. Ooh, they're actually not blocked, the small bridges that I was talking about just now. Yeah, they only block the front entrance right there. Right there. Yep, right around here. These are just little cute little bridges that you can sit on, enjoy the scenery. it's actually pretty good to, you know, come out here to the park, have some fresh air, because I've been stuck at home for quite a while now. Even though these views, I've been looking at this for like millions, billions of times. It looks pretty fresh to me. It looks a lot beautiful to me. So yeah, it's good to come out here today. So I'm just gonna go to the further end of the park, see what I can find, and then yeah, head out to the supermarket. So guys, let me tell you something cool that I just observed. So I've been walking around this park for like 2 rounds already, and I've seen some people exercising, but I've seen most of the people, they just come here to take photos. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm just, you know, pointing it out, because I know I myself shouldn't be here. So yeah, just a little gossip with YouTube fam. So yeah, see, too many people are just out here just to take photos. And when I say photos, it's not even like, you know, when they are taking photo of the nature or like a portrait or something. They're just taking selfies. Oh my god, why though? Currently I'm done with shooting around the park. I've tested out quite a few of the options in this Osmo Pocket, and there's only left with one thing. I'm not gonna do slow-mo because I have any ideas in my brain right now to shoot anything slow-mo. So yeah, the only thing that is left to test is I'm gonna try to run or jog with this and see how stable it is. So yeah, all right. Oh my god, whew. It's hard to run in this. Okay, I think that should do the trick. Gonna check out the post edits and yeah, see how it goes. Wow guys, I'm telling you, I don't regret coming out. The sunset looks actually really beautiful. Let me show you on top on how it looks like. Wow. And this park though, I mean, I've come here like once or twice in my past 10 or 15 years of living in Toa Payoh, but never really explored that much. But this park have actually a lot to offer. It looks really beautiful. So I'm just coming up this flyover bridge just to show you guys the swimming pool. Looks pretty dope, huh? All right. Alright, enough with me taking short B-rolls. It's actually time to head out to the market. If not, when I get home, my mom will be like nagging, "Hey, why are you taking so long?" So yeah, I think I still have a lot to learn to how to use this little device. Oh my god, I almost run into a wall. Let me just go to this side. Oh wow. Yeah, so I was saying I still have a lot to learn for this camera. So what I spent around at the park was like 20 to 30 minutes. I don't think that's enough to master this little device. So yeah, and I don't really know about the audio quality, but from what I'm seeing from my phone, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, no negative things, maybe apart from the small lag, like when you press record it will actually take a few seconds. Apart from that, this device, this camera is pretty dope. So yeah, can't wait to shoot more on this camera. Yeah. Pineapple is my favorite fruit. This is just so good. Let's grab one. So hey guys, I'm done with my grocery shopping and I'm right here somewhere in the dark, so just testing out the low light capabilities of this Osmo Pocket. Yeah, nothing much to say. I'll see how the footages look back in my laptop and edit them. So yeah, anyway, I'll end the vlog here. See you guys in another vlog.